Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Haziq and Idrus. I'll be presenting on the final assignment of Pawpal. So this is the login page where we will be greeted. So I have remember me option turned on, so it automatically fill the email and password field. Uh, so if I don't have an account, I can register. So okay, show the table users. Right now I have only 2 users, so maybe I can add another one. Pawpal@gmail.com. Create password. So what? Okay, please fill in all field plus plus. Okay, password must be at least 6 characters long. Pass 1 2 3. Pass 1 2 3. Do you want to register this account? Yes, register. So registration successful. So let's see database. Okay, pawpal@gmail.com. Okay, um, so maybe we'll register using pawpal@gmail.com, and then password is pass 1 2 3. Eh, pass 1 2 3. Okay, login successful. Okay, this is the home page of Pawpal. We'll be having the pet listing here. We have the search bar button, cancel, and then the filter option, refresh profile, and then pet submission. Okay. Um, maybe my profile can log out from this, then use my ABC one. Okay. Now this is mine. Okay. So we have the pet listing on the homepage. So far I have put five pet in here. So these are the details. Okay, what if I want to look at Luna? Okay, I'll go at Luna. So this is her. She is available for adoption, and the submission category of Luna is donation request. So it is a cat. Submission category donation request. Age 3 years old, gender female, health already vaccinated. So the description, very gentle house cat looking for a new family. Oh, posted by Haziq. Okay. So okay. I have based on the submission category like donation request. So the button right here is donate now. So what if uh okay the submission category is adoption. So the button changes to request to adopt button. Okay. And then what if I want to search by pet name? Robin. Robin. So I have one pet here. Is there any cat? No. Dog? No. Bird? Yes. Other? No. Okay. Um. Maybe I just want the letter R. So bird we have two, dog no, cat no, or only one. So A, Luna and Raven, cat, okay, only Luna. So I want Robin. Oh, so cute. Mm, so Robin is available. The submission category is help or rescue. She's a female and currently sick, found injured. So I want to submit a donation. Money. So for this, if the donation type is money, I can input amount. If donation type is food, I can describe the item such as 2 bags of kibble, medical, the same as the food. Okay, that's money. So I want to input 10 ringgit for the donation. Okay, donation successful. Look at the table donation. Okay, money, then 10 ringgit. Description none. The donation date is this. Okay. I want to donate again. Food, but food donation successful. Okay. Food, but food. Okay. Amount is 0. Okay. And now we can look at submit pet. Wait, submit pet. I want just to demonstrate pet name random age 2. So you can submit it. Please add at least one image. So you combine these 2 images. Okay, what else? Please select pet gender. Female. Pet type. But submission category I want to put as donation request. Health status. Healthy, sick, vaccinated, sick. Lying on the ground. Cannot fly. Preset location. So getting the latitude and longitude. Okay, submit. Pet submitted successfully. So now we'll be redirected to this. So this is the random. See, then the donation request. Lying on the ground. Donate now. So make a donation. I want to give medical. So like maybe first aid first aid kit. Donation successful. Okay, now we can see the my profile. So we donated to random Robin. Okay, my donation history. So we have the donation we've done to random, to Robin twice, item bird food and 10 ringgit. For random we have first aid kit. So then we can see the date we donate. Okay, maybe I want to edit my profile. So So currently my name is Haziq and this is the phone number. So maybe Haziq Idrus, my full name. And then for this, save changes. See the username uh, change, and then the phone number also change. Is there anything else? Hmm. So like if we log out, we will go to the login page. Since I already have the remember me option ticked, so I save my preference. Uh, so it autofill the email and password. So let's go to Hikaru. I think I can remember. Oh, okay. So for Hikaru already done a donation to Luna and Robin and How. So the item are 2 bags of kibble, 1 bottle of iodine, and 6-7 ringgit. Okay. For the name is Hikaru, so maybe I want to change back to Hikaru. Okay, then save changes. Okay, Hikaru. So the name also changes in the database. Mm, so like if I want to look at the Pawpal, since it has nothing on yet, Pawpal pass 1 2 3. So login successful. So currently Pawpal doesn't make donation yet, so the donation is empty. Mm, so log out. Okay, autofill because I click on this. So if I don't tick, the save preference is remove. Preferences remove, and then if I log out again, so okay, the text field is empty, so you need to manually enter them. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.